Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all fit and fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Myself, Jamil Hossain. I'm a student of English Fantasy. Right now, I'm at level 4. Before I begin, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever felt hesitated because of English? Probably yes. Well, that's why I'll talk about learning the English language. Language, a small word to hear, right? But is this really small? Have you ever thought about it? Probably no. Let's see. According to United Nations, there are 195 living independent country all over the world, and all of them have their own languages, own mother tongue. But when it comes to all over the world, there are more than 7,000 language all over the world. But can you speak all of them? Do you understand all of them? Maybe no. And it's not possible to communicate all of the language that are living in our all over the world. And in that case, what you have to do? There is only one way, and that is English, which is spoken more than 2 billion people all over the world. And this is the only language where you can express your emotion, you can connect with other people, you can connect globally with people, and also you can understand them better. And in a better way, you can express them whatever you want, whatever you need, and whatever you wanna make them feel. Think about it. Always try to speak English. Whatever you are thinking, try to deliver it in English. And at the last but not least, English is not a thing to memorize. It's a thing to practice. It's a thing to realize whatever you are doing. Just execute it. You have to execute it on your own way. And no one can become fluent overnight. So you have to start now. Start small, practice daily, listen English musics or movies, listen podcast, lots of podcasts there are in YouTube. You can listen them, and your listening will be better. And you have to speak with right now you can speak with lots of AI tools and whatever. If you have your partner, you can speak with him. Your speaking will be better. And also whatever you're speaking, just correct this. And the main thing is never afraid to make a mistake, because mistake make us perfect. We are not robot. Robot cannot make mistake. Humans can make mistake. And also robot cannot actually develop by their own, but human can. They can learn from their mistake, and they can develop their self in a better way, and day by day they will become better. And thank you all. Pray for me, and stay safe.